Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Gautam Adani, and Richard Branson. What do they have in common? Yes, they are some of the richest people in the world, but there is something else. They all escaped a trap that most of us fall into. A trap that controls our lives, our dream, and our future. Let's uncover what this trap is and how you can break free. Imagine this, you are in college, juggling assignment, maintaining 90% attendance, memorizing books you don't care about, and following every rule. Why? Because you have been told that after graduation, you will get a good job, buy a big house, a fancy car, and live a happy life. But is that really what happened? After years of hard work, you finally graduate, but then reality hits. You give countless interviews only to be rejected every time. People mock you and even your family start treating you differently. You feel like a failure even though you have done everything right. Finally, you get a job, but the salary is so low and you can't save enough money to buy a house. So you take a home loan. Then you need a car, so you take a car loan. Without realizing it, you have trapped yourself. You live in constant fear of losing your job, because if that happens, how will you pay your EMIs, your children's school fees, or even your daily expense? You suffer your dreams, wake up quietly every morning, go to work, come home in the evening, whether you like the job or not. Over time, this life start feeling normal. You grow old working, thinking maybe I was unlucky. I worked so hard, but I could not achieve anything big in life. But the truth is something else, my friend. A truth that has been hidden from you for far too long. Let's go back to 1806. Persia lost a war to Napoleon because their soldiers used their own mind instead of blindly following order. To prevent that from happening again, Persia created an education system designed to produce obedient soldiers. Children were taught only what was necessary to following order, not to think from themselves. This system separated globally by the late 1800th century. The Industrial Revolution was at its peak. Factories needed workers, but people were busy farming or running a small business. The Persia education system provided the solution. It brainwashed children into believing that the only way to earn money was by working in factories. Even in India, during British rule, Lord Macaulay introduces an education system based on the Persian model. The goal to create Indians who were Indian in blood but English in taste, opinion, and intellect. The British use Indian to rule Indians, brainwashing them to follow order without question. Fast forward to today. From the moment you are born, your parents dream of sending you to big school, but the system hasn't changed. You are given a set of subject and a syllabus, and that become your world. Your creativity is crushed. By the time you graduate, your only goal is to get a job, but unemployment is at an all-time high. In India, 60% of youth are jobless. Even if you get a job, the average salary of an engineer in India is 10 times less than what a truck driver earns in the USA. So what's the solution? Should you stop going to school or college? No, the solution is to explore beyond the system. Today you can learn skill online from experts who have actually achieved something, not just theoretical knowledge. If you are a parent, send your child to school and college, but don't obsess over mark. Expose them to different opportunities. If they score low, it's okay. Maybe they are learning a skill where they excel. The choice is yours. Do you want to stable average life, or do you want to achieve something big, earn a lot of money, and live your dream? Break free from the trap, explore your passion, learn new skill, and create your own path. Thank you for watching this documentary. I have worked hard to create this, and your support means a lot. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's separate awareness and help more people break free from this trap. Once again, thank you for watching till the end.